The overall goal of this simple yet effective procedure is to isolate and enrich for rare antigen-binding B cells from human peripheral blood using magnetic nanoparticles for their phenotypic and functional analysis.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of immunology regarding the phenotype and biology of rare antigen-binding B cells, both before and following in vivo antigen encounter.
The major advantage of this technique is that it obviates problems associated with geometry, particularly when one is using a styrene plate or a large bead, and it obviates problems associated with flow rate when one is isolating cells by flow cytometry to isolate rare cells in quite large starting cell populations.
Immediately after collecting 30 to 50 milliliters of whole blood into heparinized blood collection tubes, mix the blood at a 1-to-1 ratio with sterile room temperature magnesium and calcium-free PBS. Next, layer the blood mixture onto 10 milliliters of room temperature density gradient solution in a sterile 50 milliliter conical tube using slow, consistent pipette trigger pressure, and separate the cells by centrifugation. Discard the plasma and platelet-containing upper layer and use a sterile pipette to transfer the mononuclear cell container buffy coat into a new sterile 50 milliliter tube. Fill the tube with up to 50 milliliters of PBS for washing of the mononuclear cells by